Hey guys, it's Commando Chick. I'm just giving an update on the closed Walmart in Brandon, Florida. All of the shipping containers are now gone and the plants in the garden center have been cleared out. I posted a video yesterday and I thought that I seen a film of some sort placed over the interior windows, but I believe they are actually metal roll down doors. There was also a very strange noise when passing the western entrance, so I came back by a second time to get a better recording of it. It was some sort of continuous ringing and it was pretty loud. Not sure what it could be. I also want to mention that I've been watching other people's videos of this location, and the user Eye in the Sky has sent a drone up and has some pretty awesome aerial views. They have video of a group of people walking into the eastern side of this Walmart, I'm guessing to work, and they definitely do not look like plumbers. You guys might want to check those videos out. I've included a clip of the sound that I caught at the end of this video. Anyways, that's all for now.